Hey everyone, welcome back to another pin video. So this is a pin haul and unboxing. And Katie was a bad girl. She bought some pins, mystery pins, so I have no clue what we're gonna be getting out of those. So wish me luck opening. And as usual, I will be throwing the box into bags as usual, because you know that's a routine that we do here on this channel. So before I open those, I'm going to show you what I got at the pin event in my local area. So let's just start with what we got, and then we'll go from there. And then my friend has a YouTube channel, Cook with Trish, and she's really behind on making her videos apparently, because she's been a bad girl as well.
What? I don't think so. I've been a very good girl.
Well, you've been lacking on not making videos.
It's called I've been busy.
Well, I've been busy too, so there's that. Okay. So, I did a bunch of walkarounds, and this is a fantasy pen, so this technically cannot be traded. So, this is a little mermaid one that somebody made. It's hard to see on the back. I can't really... I want to say it's like sag something. I don't know. So, yeah. So I got that one. So that was when I was walking around and my friend Latricia, who you hear in the background, traded for one of the pens. And then this was another pin that I traded with my friend Latricia, and this is Happy, and this is a Hidden Mickey pin 5 of 5. So there's some other ones like this set that is out there. So these are commonly faked, unfortunately, so it's hard to find the real ones compared to the fakes out there. And then I got A Bug's Life. So I've been needing to finish this Pixar Hidden Mickey set, and I got Hopper. So he's 5 out of 5, so now I got the whole set. So woohoo! And then, whoops, what am I doing? Okay. And I think this is from the newer set, the one that I've been after. So this is the pie one. So I'm about to double check with this one, because I believe it's from that cotton candy and then that candy apple that I opened a few months ago. So I think that is from that set. I don't remember, I have to look. And I've been eyeing this pen at Box Lunch, so every time I've been to Box Lunch, I just never purchased it until today, Saturday, July 26th, but by the time you see this, it will be a different day. And so I traded for this, so woohoo! And this is Loungefly. And I'm really bad at, showing the backs. I don't know why. And then this is another set that I'm working on, and this is a scented set. So I have the orange one, right? I think. I don't know. So I got this one. So this is the pineapple one. So I have 4 more to collect from that set. So woohoo! And then I'm really behind on this set, the Mickey and Friends card, like playing cards. So I got this one, and I have Pluto at home. So I need the remaining. And then, why did I not put you in? And I believe this is Lion King? Yeah, I think this is Lion King. And this has the Diamond Mickey on the back, and that is a real pin, because they're trying to do that to prevent the fakes out there, So yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to collect this particular series of Lion King. I don't know yet, so we'll see about that. And then I got 25 years of pin trading, so I got Mickey Mouse, and this is one of the mystery sets as well. So I would like to get all the ones that I do like, and then I'll get the ones that I don't like for trade, because I need to stock up on my traders. So what pins, like the characters and movies I don't like, is Star Wars, Muppets, Marvel, Coco, Encanto, stuff like that. Like, I would get those just for trade, so that I could put them in my trader, so I could trade for the ones I do want, you know? And I'm working on this set, so I have 2 more to collect in this set. I think I need Copper and then somebody else. I can't remember their name. And that's my friend dumping all her pens out on her bed. So here's Jock. So yay, I'm halfway there. Woohoo! And then I'm starting to collect this series, so I just started this series today. So it's the Making Friends Country Club. So I got Minnie Mouse and Daisy Duck. I didn't know which ones that I wanted because they had a bunch from that set. So I got these 2. So woohoo, me. And then I got Beauty and the Beast cake slice. So I don't think I own any of these. I don't think I do. So I think this is my first cake set from this series. So I'm excited to add this to my board, my Beauty and the Beast board. And then I want to get the rest of these pins. So this is the Disney Princess, Beauty and the Beast pins. So you know, that set. So the one that is circled is the one I have right now. So if you guys have the others, please let me know. So there's Gaston and Belle, and then Belle with the sheep. So that one is pretty cool. So I want to get the rest of that. And I'm gonna have to get a second, you know, pin board for Beauty and the Beast, because, you know, it's pretty much full. Okay, so now we're gonna open up the mystery pins. Alright, so we have Haunted Mansion. So this was $15. And there's 2 pins in each box, so they only have 1 box of this. So these are the pins that you can get. And then I bought some magical mystery pins, and these are, you know, an older series. So this is series 9 and 10. So it's, oh, I didn't know I did green. I must have been feeling the green. I don't know. So these are the bottle caps. So there's Mickey, Dumbo, Jiminy Cricket, Simba, the dragon from something, and Tink. So there's that. And then these are the stamps. So I have Jiminy, Dope Bay. Why did I say his name like that? Why did I say Dope Bay? And then I have Lady and a Tramp at home. So I would want what's his name? Captain Hook. And then there's Bambi and Cheshire Cat, which I would put for trade. So, ow, don't hurt me. You want to hurt me already? Ow. You big meanies. Ow, quit it. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with this. So, wish me luck. There. Oh no, I can't open it. No. I might need to get some scissors, so I will be right back. Okay, so we're back. Alright, so we're gonna open this guy. So we're gonna open series 10 for us. And these don't come in a mystery bag inside, unfortunately, so we'll see what we get. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got Jiminy. So he's for trade. So Jiminy is for trade, so I got him already, unfortunately. So there's that. And that's the fun part, you know, you get doubles, you know, when you get these. So, yay. So I think I would want Mickey, Dumbo, Simba, Tink, and then I don't need Jiminy, which it will be Jiminy probably. Oh, did I cut right? No, I didn't. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. And then whatever that dragon is. I have no clue who they are, but we're gonna go with it. If it's the dragon, it would be for trade. Alright. And I remember buying these at Disneyland the first time I started to collect pins in 2012. And this pack was pretty heavy because I'm like, dang, it's heavy, dude. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. Dumbo! That is awesome. Okay, so I might keep Dumbo. I don't know. I do have a small collection of Dumbo, but I don't know if I'm gonna actually keep this one. So we'll see. And then, here we go. Okay, so now we're gonna open a Haunted Mansion. So I think I want the bride one. And then, I don't know their names, unfortunately, so I'm not a big Haunted Mansion person. So this is why I got it for trade. So I want the bride right there, and then my second choice is that. So you get 2 pins in these. So let's see what we get. I haven't opened a Disney mystery box from the parks in forever. It's been a hot while. Alright, so we're gonna get that bag out and then get this other bag out. And then as usual, because usually I do this at home, but I'm at my friend's house, but I don't care. So, woo!
You gotta care.
Okay. Alright, so let's see what we get. Okay. So these have the Diamond Mickey on the back, which is good because it's one of the newer ones. So 3, 2, 1, please let it be. Yes!
What is it?
The bride.
The bride.
Sorry if I scared you guys. If you guys are wearing headphones, I apologize for yelling yes like that. It will be funny if I get another bride, because I know sometimes they do that. I don't know why they do that. They really need to check on that when they put the pins in like that. And then sometimes, you know, the 2 pin boxes will put a 3rd one in there for no reason at all, because I know that has happened. But hey, at least it's one step closer to finishing that set, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see if it's the other one that I want with the 3 ghosts in that photo. And 3, 2, 1, and you bummy, man. Oh, and then this has like something on the pin, so like there's a minor thing on there, but it's okay. But at least it will stand out, and it will be a unique one for whoever wants it. So yeah, and that is it for this. I was gonna say a home video. I'm like, wait, I'm not making a home video. I don't have the VHS camera. Yeah, I'm now old. So I will see you guys next time in my next video, which will probably be my birthday haul video of pens. So stay tuned for that when that does come out. And I will see you then. Alright, bye!